Hello everyone. So today's session we will learn omission of the article and repetition of the article. In earlier classes we have discussed about articles, definite and indefinite articles. Today is the last session for the article. So in this session we will discuss omission of the article and repetition of the article. So I will start with the first one. The article is omitted with the before the names of the substances and abstract nouns that are uncountable nouns used in a general sense. Like sugar is a what? Sugar is a bad for your teeth. This is an uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. It is used in a general sense. Sugar is a bad for your teeth. But if I say, would you pass me the sugar? The sugar. So here why we use the? Because we are denoting the specific sugar, which is maybe the sugar on the table, maybe the sugar on the table. So here we use the before the sugar because we are talking about the specific sugar which kept on the table. Okay, which kept on the table. But here we talk about in a general sense. So in these cases, if we talk about the substantive or abstract nouns in general sense, we omitted the article. We will not use the article in these type of sentences. Okay? अगर हम जनरल सेंस में यूज करते हैं शुगर का कोई एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन, शुगर इज एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन और substance, this is a substance, and abstract noun like gold. Abstract noun is gold, so there is substance. So if we use gold also, gold. So gold, what we can say, gold is a precious metal. Okay, but if we talk about the gold chain, we can use the gold. We can use the gold chain. So we are talking about the particular chain. So we can use the. But if here in a general sense, gold is a precious. So the article is omitted. The article is not there. So hope you understand. And one more thing. Like one more example, I'll give you one more example so it will be clear for you. Like children like chocolates. Okay, children like chocolates. So here plural countable noun used in a, this is a plural countable noun. Plural countable used in a general sense. So we cannot use the because it used in a general sense. But if we talk about where are the children? Where are the children? Where are the children means we are talking about that specific children means the children means our children. Where is the children means we know that children. Okay, so such noun take the when you used a particular meaning. If you are talking about the particular meaning, we will use the. But in a general sense, the is omitted. Okay. And we use a when there is an adjective before breakfast, lunch, dinner. B we use like I had. One more thing, I had a late lunch. So before the lunch, adjective is there, so we can use a and. But the dinner we had at the tourist hotel, but we use the when we specify. The is for specification. When we specify, I had the dinner we had at the tourist hotel was very nice. So the dinner means we had in that hotel. So we are talking about the specific things. So we can use the, but in general sense we cannot use the. Like dinner is ready. dinner is ready. So the article is omitted. We cannot use the because we will use the when we talk about the specifically particular things. We will mention this. We want to specify the thing. Okay. And some more things where we cannot use the article, like before the names of relations, like father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, and like also cook, nurse. We cannot use the article. The article is omitted. Okay. And before the languages also, like we cannot use the English. The English is not a correct one. So here also the is omitted. And before the school, colleges, school, college, church, we cannot use the. University, bed, hospital, prison, we cannot use the before these words also. Okay. And one more thing, some more rules where some more words where we cannot use the. And before the predicative nouns, before the predicative nouns denoting a unique position, denoting a unique position, we cannot use the, like chairman. We cannot use the. Okay, we cannot use the, like principal. Because it is held by the one person and one at one time only. So we cannot use the, like Mr. Banerjee became principal of the college. So we cannot use the before the principal also. So if we talk about generals, in a general sense, we cannot use the. And before in a and the second one, next one, in a certain phrases consisting of a transitive verb followed by its object, like to catch fire. So to catch fire is what? Is a phrase consisting of transitive verb, fire. Transitive verb means which take object, like we cannot use fire alone. Fire, if we say fire, what fire? You will ask what fire? We cannot use fire alone. So catch fire, we cannot use the. Okay, here also we cannot use the. To take bath, to take the bath, we can't say to take the bath. To take bath, we will use to take bath. Okay. Sorry, it's not bath, it's breathe. Sorry, correction, it's breathe. So breathe is also a transitive verb. So we will take take is transitive verb. So what you take? Breathe. To take, breathe. It's taking object, so it's a transitive verb. I will discuss in next time in detail transitive verb. So but here transitive verb means which take, we cannot come alone. It will take object, like to take what? You will if I say I take, so it's not a complete sentence. You will say what you take. So breathe. So take is a transitive verb. Okay. Bath is also, if you can, earlier I by mistake I said bath. So bath, if I say bath is okay for the, take also. Kya? So bath is also object for take. So it's okay. So take, here also we cannot use the. And the last, for the omission of the article, in phrase containing of a preposition followed by its object, like at home. At home we cannot use the in between. Like in hand. In hand. These are phrases consisting of preposition. Preposition in, at, of, by. These are like at sun, sorry, you can see like at home, in hand, at sunrise. So these are the preposition. These are the phrases consisting preposition. So we cannot use the. So here also omission of the article. Okay. Now I will discuss repetition. Repetition of the article. Okay. Repetition of the article. If I say I have a black and a white dog. So here I mean a dog that is partially black and partially white. No. Here I have a black and a white dog. We are talking about the different dogs. If we use a before both the nouns, so these are the, if we use different, means if I have a black and I mean two dogs, one black and the one other white, and then two or more adjective qualify same nouns. If same nouns, the article is used before the first one. If I say I have a black and white dog. So here a is before the first qualifying noun. So before the first adjective only, sorry, first adjective. This is the adjective for the noun dog. So we use the article before the first adjective. So in this sentence we are talking about the one dog, that the same dog which partially black and white. But in the first sentence we are talking about two different dogs. First one is a black and second one is a white. So we can use a article before the adjective, first and second both adjectives, if we are talking about the two dogs. But if we are talking about the same dog, we will use the article before the first adjective. Okay, only. So the article is normally used before each adjective. If we are talking about two dogs, we will use article before the adjective, both adjectives. If we are talking about the one dog only, same dog, so we will use the article before first adjective only. This is second adjective, we will use the first adjective before a first adjective only. Okay, hope you understand. You can make many sentences like this. If you are talking about the same thing, you will use only one article in a sentence. If you are talking about the two things, you can use both the articles. Means we can use two articles here. So repetition of the article, here it is. Repetition of the article. I will give one more example to you. Like you can use the third and the fourth chapter, or you can say the third and fourth chapter, or you can say he is better mechanic than a clerk. Okay, or you can say he would make a better statements than a philosopher. You can say he is a better poet than novelist. He is a better thinker than debater. Okay, so many sentences we have. We can use both the articles for two different. If we are using two articles in a sentence, we are talking about two person. If we are using one article in a sentence, we are talking about the same person. So thank you class. Hope you understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. You are free to ask me. Thank you.